and namaste friends. I Neha would like to welcome you to another video in the official YouTube channel of OlizStore. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing and doing a quick little audio check of the product that I have beside me. It's Saramonic Vmic Mini. So before even opening this box, let's see what's written on the top of it. So it's written condenser video microphone for DSLR and smartphone. So this one works in your phone as well as on your cameras. How cool is that? Let's slide it open now and see what we get inside. So we have some stickers, some warranty cards, and some user manuals, which we don't need right now, and let's dive right inside this fancy box. So everything comes separately and protected with this foam. Now let's see what we get inside. So we get two cables, one for your phone and one for your camera. So TRS and TRRS cable. Then we get this windscreen if we want to use the microphone outdoors. यो विन्डस्क्रिन को मेन काम भनेको चाहिँ तपाईहरुको विन्ड नोइजलाई अडियोबाट काट्दिनु हो. जब हामी विन्डी इन्भाइरोमेन्टमा जान्छौं, यो हामीले माइक्रोफोनमा अट्याच गरेर हामीले खिच्यौं भने जति पनि विन्ड नोइजहरु छ त्यसलाई यसले मजाले कट अफ गर्दिन्छ. When you take a closer look at this microphone, it has Saramonic Vmic labeling on both the sides. Let's keep this box aside first. Then we have a 3.5 mm output at the back. Then it is connected to a shock mount, which helps in reducing the audio bumps. Underneath we have a 1/4 inch thread, so you can connect it to a tripod or use this cold shoe mount to connect it to your camera. Also, it doesn't have any batteries, so you are just one wire away to connect it to your camera or your phone and start recording. So I connected the microphone to one of the cameras, and just for the size reference, look at the size of this microphone and compare it to the size of this camera with this lens. Now you can have a quick idea of how small this microphone actually is. Also, it's pretty lightweight, it's just under 60 grams. So when you are vlogging, the weight of the microphone will not affect at all because it is lightweight. कहिलेकाहीँ यस्तो माइक्रोफोन हेभी युज गर्दाखेरि पनि हामीलाई हात दुख्ने, भ्लग गर्दाखेरि गाह्रो हुने हुन्छ, but this microphone is lightweight अनि त्यस्तो गाह्रो हुने situation पनि आउँदैन. So right now the audio is coming from this lavalier mic. Now let's switch the microphone and connect it to this Vmic Mini. So now I have shifted my microphone to Vmic Mini and the main camera over here is connected to it. And this is how the audio sounds like indoors using the microphone with the windscreen on. So let me come closer and see how the audio sounds like then. So this is the audio when I am speaking closely in front of the camera. Now let's go farther away and check the audio quality. And this is the audio when I'm sitting farther away from the camera. Now you can see the difference. So that was the audio check indoors of the microphone. Now let's go outdoors and see how it performs outdoors. So now that we are outdoors, let's check the audio quality that comes from this mic. Today I'm not connected to any lavalier mics like before, अनि यो आवाज चाहिँ direct Saramonic Vmic Mini बाट आइरहेको छ. यो माइक्रोफोनको थोरै डिस्क्रिप्सन दिनु पर्दाखेरि चाहिँ यो युनिडाइरेक्सनल माइक भएको कारणले यति अगाडिको साउन्ड चाहिँ यसले पिकअप गर्नलाई राम्रो छ भन्दाखेरि पछाडीको साउन्ड चाहिँ यसले धेरै पिकअप गर्दैन. सो यताबाट पास भइरहेको भेहिकलहरुको साउन्डलाई अलिकति डिस्टर्बेन्स हुन सक्छ यो अडियोमा, तर पछाडी जुन कन्स्ट्रक्सन भइरहेको छ त्यसको साउन्ड भने यसले धेरै टिप्दैन. सो यो माइक्रोफोनहरु भ्लगिङहरु गर्दा पनि धेरै काम लाग्छ. अब यो माइक्रोफोन म टाढा जाँदाखेरि यसले मेरो अडियो कतिको क्याप्चर गर्छ त्यो पनि हेरौं. सो म अघिको पोजिसन भन्दा धेरै टाढा आइसके र अब हेरौं यसले मेरो अडियो कतिको क्याप्चर गर्दो रहेछ. म करिब 5 मिटर जस्तो टाढा छु र यसले आवाज टिपिरहेको छ कि छैन भनेर चाहिँ मलाई एडिटिङमा मात्र थाहा हुन्छ. अब म अगाडि आउँदै गर्छु. यसरी गर्दा गर्दै यसले यति अडियो क्याप्चर गर्न सफल भएको छ. र यो माइक्रोफोन युज गर्दा चाहिँ तपाईहरु जति अगाडि हुनुभयो माइक्रोफोनको त्यति नै राम्रो क्याप्चर गर्छ. र अब माइक्रोफोन झिकेर क्यामेराको मात्र अडियो पनि टेस्ट गरौँ है त. सो हामीले क्यामेराबाट माइक्रोफोनको तार निकालिसकेका छौँ। अहिले जुन अडियो आइरहेको छ यो चाहिँ बिल्ट इन माइक्रोफोन हो क्यामेराको, र क्यामेराको बिल्ट इन माइक्रोफोन धेरै जसो चाहिँ ओम्नी डिरेक्सनल हुन्छ, त्यो भनेको चाहिँ सबैतिरबाट यसले आवाज लिइरहेको हुन्छ। सो यसको अडियो चाहिँ यस्तो छ। Now using this microphone to film a video for a whole day, I have a few things that I want to share with you all. Firstly, it works great on both smartphone and DSLR, and also you don't need to buy any other accessories extra to film with this microphone. It operates great as there aren't any buttons, and also you don't have to install any batteries. If you are in a tight budget, you can go for this microphone as it is very budget friendly, and also you don't have to compromise on any sound quality because it provides a broadcast quality sound. Whether you are using a tablet, smartphone, DSLR or mirrorless cameras, this microphone can fit in any of those devices, providing you a great quality sound in cheaper price range. So with this, we have come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.